Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's guide video I'm simply going to show you how you can fix your messenger when it says please check your internet connection. But before we get started with today's video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing, whenever you try to send a message or whenever you load the messenger app, maybe it says that to please check your internet connection and try again. For example, let me show you right over here. If I turn off my Wi-Fi and then try to continue, it could say please check your internet connection and try again. So whenever the messenger app tells you to please check your internet connection and try again, the first solution is to simply check your own internet connection, because most of the times what happens is that your Wi-Fi could not be giving the signal. You want to try to switch to the cellular data, turn off your Wi-Fi, switch to the cellular or data. Then once you do that, try to reload the application and try to continue to log in or send a message or refresh the app. Also try to use other social media apps, because if the problem persists, then it is most likely your internet connectivity issue and not the messenger app's issue. So you want to simply make sure to first of all simply check your internet connection. Now if that has fixed your issue and if your internet connection is working perfectly fine, the second thing I would also recommend doing is to simply open your app store. In the search box you want to type in messenger and then simply update the messenger app if it does have an update available. So if it has an update available, then go ahead and see whether the messenger app does have an update available. Tap on the update button to update the application to the latest version. If this works for you, that's perfectly fine. Now the third thing I would recommend doing is simply open your settings and you want to simply reset the messenger app. And in order to reset the messenger app, we are going to go to the apps section first of all on our home screen. Once we go to the app section, we want to scroll down over here and we want to find in messenger. So look for the application called messenger and tap on messenger here. Once you tap on messenger, at the bottom you need to go ahead and tap on storage. Now in order to reset our messenger app, first of all what you'd like to do is simply clear the cache files of this app, and then once you clear the cache files, you can simply tap on the clear data button at the bottom left hand side of the screen. So go ahead and tap on clear data, come back, and then you might also want to force stop the application. Once you tap on force stop, open the messenger app again, re-log into your account, allow all of the permissions whichever the app requires, and see whether the issue has finally been fixed or not. If it does not fix the issue, then you want to simply uninstall and then reinstall this messenger app. We hope one of these solutions worked for you, and if it did work for you, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section as of which of these solutions work. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section as well. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.